Hey guys, good morning. I came to the office a little later than usual. I was working from home. During the night, we had 11 orders on eBay, and on Amazon, 15 orders. We have a few interested, some people that are interested in multiple items, so this is one of them, the message. What I'm gonna do right now is check to see if she's interested. It's a lady that purchased what was it? The apartment 56 building, and she wants 2 more figures, accessories. So I'm gonna see what she wrote and add it to her purchase probably. And also someone is interested in a very expensive baseball glove. It's very rare, so I just listed it at a crazy price, and he's interested. I don't know what his price will be, what his offer will be, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start packing. Oh, that's heavy rain. Hope you can hear. I'm gonna start packing, and I'm gonna start packing eBay orders and merchant fulfill orders, and see what I'm gonna do with the rest of the day. Okay, so I pulled everything for eBay. We sold this Minnie Mouse, what does it call, like musical carousel, Zippity Doodah. We sold this for $77 and $9 shipping. We got this from the auction, one of the auctions we've been to. We got this in a bunch of other random figurines. We had a goofy one also riding some kind of a horse or something. We sold that for another $60 or $70, and this one we sold for $77 and $9 shipping. We sold the Hummel Goose Girl. It's already like semi-packed. This we got recently. $24 and $25 and $5 shipping. Should be going first class. We sold another paint, Martha Stewart paint. I don't know what you paint with it. Another shoes that we got retail arbitrage. Nike shoes. Apparently they are rare or something, because one of the reviews that we got from the other pairs we sold, one of the reviews, it said that thank you for what did it say? Thank you for listing this rare shoe. So I don't know why. What else we got? Another Transformers manual. This is for Mirage and Ratchet. Just the manual itself. Sold for $8. Pretty good condition. We sold a CD and a DVD that from out of the US. $30, and what this sold for? $15, 2 seasons. We sold this China. I got it in a bin from the auction. It's really, I've been trying to, I try to clean it, but it's really dirty and it doesn't really come off. So I stated that it's it has stains and you need to read the description. See? So it sold for $25 and shipping. We sold the apartment 56 house. It comes with ladders also here and on the other side, so the girl was asking me to verify there are 2 letters, and I did, and she bought it. That's the cha-ching you heard yesterday. We sold a hockey puck signed. Also, auction house, we paid $10 for 4 of them. We have a bunch more signed, not authenticated, but signed. So I know nothing about NHL, so yeah. We just gambled. So it sold for $42 and $5 shipping. And lastly, we sold a graphic printer for Commodore. Also, auction house. We got a bunch of, if you remember, I sold a few days ago a Commodore game. So what we got is a bin full of random Commodore stuff, and we sold a few for a pretty penny. So we had this printer. It's basically new. That's the original box, and it's new in the original phone with the manuals and everything. So yeah, it's a little heavier than I expected though. We sold this for $72. Oh, and 25 shipping, so it's okay. So yeah, this is it, right? 11 orders for eBay. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack those, and I'm gonna pull Amazon merchant fulfill orders. So I'll get to it now. So I'm done packing eBay orders. Yeah, that was a little took me more time than I expected. So right now I'm gonna take a little break and eat breakfast. Yeah, I hope this little thing won't cost a lot of money to ship. $24, but it's 17 pound and 20 by 14 by 14. Even though we got it for less, to be honest, less than $1. I'm not sure where it goes, but if it goes to the West Coast or something, it's gonna be a little pricey. So we'll see. Yeah, so everything is packed. Fragile stuff are harder to pack naturally. So I'm gonna go print some labels, grab something to eat, and then come back to take everything from the merchant fulfilling station. So be right back. So I pulled all the Amazon merchant fulfill orders. We got a couple of CDs, which is surprising, and we got a bunch of movies. Again, disaster, horror. That's for kids. Horror, seems like horror. War. So yeah, and 6 disaster movies. So those CDs are all classical, which are super slow movers. But for example, this one sold for $22, which is, I mean, almost 10% of what we paid to get the whole thing. So yeah, a couple more like that, and we'll cover the we already covered and made money. But just for example, one of them sold for $22. Others are ranging between 7 and 10, 12. Yeah, for $7 we make $1.50. So anything above it would just make it more money. Shipping supplies basically cost me nothing, because I brought 2 pallets worth of boxes and the poly mailers. I think I have like 10,000 poly mailers, and just those, I mean, just the 2 pallets, I filled up a van for $150. I paid $150 and filled up a van worth of boxes and shipping supplies. So Yeah, I just found this on Craigslist. Somebody was closing up his shop, and he was selling stuff online, and I just bought his entire shipping supplies. So that was a good deal for us. So I'm gonna pack those, and that's it. So all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders are packed. Let me just verify that nothing came in. 17 orders. Oh, that's so blurry. 17 orders. That's okay. It's 1 and 10 minutes now. I might just go home, but I'm not so sure. I'm probably gonna go through some more stuff. Not sure. I'll see how it goes. I have some stuff to do at home, and bookkeeping and stuff. I've been holding my bookkeeping up until now, since we opened an LLC, so I haven't been doing much accounting ever since beginning of 2020. So I have a lot of bookkeeping to catch up. So yeah. So I'm gonna print labels for those and see what I'm gonna do. So I finished packing and labeling Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and we got 3 more orders. Another CD, classic music, another classic music, and Primal. Never heard of that, but it's the complete series, and we sold it for $65. So this is nice. And this is from the batch we paid $350 plus U-Haul van cost, basically $400 we paid total in cash, but we got way more than that. I'll update in the upcoming videos how my merch 3 weeks Merchant Fulfilled adventure has been going. So I'm gonna pack those, and I'm gonna print labels and probably head home. So I'm gonna do that right now. That was quick and easy. 3 orders. That was easy. I'm gonna print the labels. So I'm done for today. 19 orders total on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. Doing pretty well. I think we hit. I think we've done over $5,000 in sales. I think. We'll update in upcoming video. So we have those 20 packages for Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. We have those for USPS. Those were eBay sales, and for FedEx, 2 more packages. Yeah, and that's about it. Now I'm probably gonna go. After I'm dropping those, I'm gonna go home, just be with the family, and do some accounting and some bookkeeping. And I need to list stuff on eBay still. I didn't list anything yet today, so probably gonna do that also. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna be here tomorrow too. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys. Stay safe.